Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Charlie Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 21. Okay, we got the floors in. Oh, these look so fantastic. I'm so excited. This is that luxury vinyl plank flooring that looks like wood, so it's super durable, super water resistant, so especially for our Arizona homes coming in off the patio from the outside. Just fantastic, fantastic product. Here in the master bath, we have the countertops in. They look fantastic. Our fabulous, wonderful plumbers are here, putting in all of our plumbing hardware, getting those P-traps hooked up and the faucets hooked up. Oh, friends, it looks so good. We've got our fabulous, wonderful cabinet installer, Dan, with New Creations out here. He is doing a bang-up job getting all of our knobs and pulls installed today, all of our finished trim installed. Oh, Dan, we appreciate him so much, so much. But isn't this looking great? We've got our cabinet on top of the counters, got all of our crown done. The space looks so good. Our kitchen faucet went in. And she's so pretty. Oh my goodness sakes, friends. We're also working over here in our in our guest bathroom. So we've got cabinets in, and Adrian with CLWs over here, hooking up our P-traps and putting in our faucets here in our hall bathroom. Oh, the space is almost done, friends. Doesn't it look incredible? Look at our fireplaces. Oh, she's so nice. Friends, thank you so much for being here with us. My hair is wild and crazy. We couldn't do this without you. We so appreciate you enjoying this journey with us for Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 21. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.